In today's video, let me show you how to see Instagram posts without the application. Now, there are a few ways on how you could do this. For example, if someone has shared you a link of someone's profile, and whenever you simply tap on this link, and even if you don't have the application or the account of Instagram already logged in onto your device, it will use your default web browser, for example Google Chrome, and it will open up the profile within the Google Chrome web browser. Secondly, what you can also do is use a search engine such as Google. So just open up Google and you could just start typing in the username and try to see if the username starts to pop up within the search results. Now, if none of these things are working out for you, then what you could do is switch to a desktop site. So if your mobile browser blocks you from viewing or logging in without a pop-up, you could simply head over to a Google web browser, head over to the three-dotted line, and right here you should be able to see the option called a desktop site. Once you tap on the desktop site, you should be able to fix the issue of the blocking. So these are the few steps that you can follow. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.